what's another you?
Alright, y'all, so we got the CB7 in the back. I'm not too sure what I recorded or if I even filmed the intro for this video, so I'm gonna just do it right now. What's going on, YouTube? Joseph Bench coming back at y'all with another lit video, man. As you can see, we got the CB7 in the back. The CB7 Accord, that is. I don't know if y'all can see, but I took out the radiator.
NANI?!
Shit. Alright, y'all, right now we at the Honda dealership. Is that a Honda Beat though? Hold on. I don't know what's going on with my lighting right now. Right hand drive Honda Beat. Shit clean. But that's tough. What up, dog? I called earlier. I just need a oil filter.
Just oil filter?
Yeah.
Alright. So yeah, just for that it's $10.49.
All right, cool.
Man, just keep going, man. Keep
Yes.
making content, bro. Don't stop.
Appreciate that, boss man. But we secured the oil filter, man. Now we can finally start working on the Accord. So I'm gonna explain more what we're doing, but for now, I'll get back to y'all when we're with the Accord. All right, y'all. I'm slacking on all quarters right now. Not only do I not have a mic right now, well, I think that's really it. I just don't got my mic on me right now. But right now we're taking out the radiator. Take the coolant out. See, I got it draining inside of a Walmart pan. All my cars get that blue coolant, you feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the upper radiator hose, the lower radiator hose. If I don't know, right there should be straight. It should just come right off. Coolant is gonna fly out. Not all the time, but most of the time coolant flies out. So make sure you have like a drain bucket or some shit on the bottom, so you could catch your coolant. That shit was dry as fuck. It's not a good sign. Ain't no coolant come out that bitch. What the fuck? This is the overflow tank, by the way. Honda shit. This is my first time working on this Honda, so just bear with me, huh? So this hose right here, gonna be taking it off. Focus up. Oh shit. Fucking radiator's already moving and shit. Alright, coolant, please don't fucking fly everywhere. Low key, I'm gonna have to get the fuck on my way though. Look at that shit. You see that? Ain't nothing come out of that bitch, bro. That's crazy. My coolant leaking, dog. Yo, relax, bro. I'm gonna need you. The fuck? All right, y'all. So we are also. I'm not gonna be taking off the electric fan. Oh shit! Is there another connector back here? What type of bullshit is this? Bro, these cars, these gay ass Chinese connectors. This is Japan. I finally got the connector. This shit is fake gay as fuck, but it's okay. It's ready to come out. Weirdest fucking radiator I ever had to take out. What the fuck? We got parts, baby. In the meantime, bruh, this does not look like the same radiator, my nigga. Maybe it looked bigger in the box. Yeah, I think that's what it was. It looked bigger in the box. Key, this bitch looked fat as fuck compared to this one, bruh. Size difference though, bro. This one is compared to this one, bro. Hope this shit fits, bro. Fingers crossed. So we also bought this cheap ass gun on fucking Facebook Marketplace for 80 bones. It's a fucking impact, but you already know me. I like using impacts for other shit, so I'm gonna go ahead and just transfer over these bolts. Just transfer these shits right over. Should turn these bitches down, I ain't gonna lie. Line up the holes. See, there's 2 holes right here, 10 mils. Damn, I don't think this shit came with a radiator cap, bro. What the fuck? Hold on. What the fuck? Ain't that about a bitch? Alright, bet. I'm not gonna lie. This impact low-key fine. Also came with these lines for your tranny line or tranny hose lines. But it looks like on my car, I don't know if Buddy cut them or I don't know, but it's not here. Man. Before I put this one back on, what the fuck? It's supposed to be like that? All right, anyways, what was I saying? One thing I wanted to mention, this looks like a brand new radiator, bro, but just the cap at the top, y'all can see that shit's rounded off. So coolant was leaking out. Maybe there could have been an easy fix for it, but I couldn't get that shit to fix. So compared to the new one, look at that, look at the difference. New one, old one. It's a big difference. All right, y'all. Snake this radiator in. Look at that. I'm gonna guide it down. Anything that gets stuck on, try to remove it. Look at that, bro. Look at the difference, y'all. Oh, I missed the fucking... There it is. I got it seated on one side. Look how fat that bitch is, dog. Ain't no leaks over here, you feel me? What? Hey there, boy.
1990, all new Accord. The high definition sedan is here.
Little crackhead energy for y'all. Everything's lined up. Shouldn't be a big deal, but I need to go to the junkyard tomorrow to pull a radiator support. What is this, like a grommet? That's what you... Nigga, it's not even seated on that side neither. Head ass. See that shit? Hold on. Look at that. Hold on. Could move this coolant up. Oh shit! I do have the grommet. The fuck? Hold on. I do got the grommet. Okay. Let me see if I can finesse this bitch real quick. That bitch kind of heavy. Right. Type shit. And the same with this side over here. Okay. This bitch is fake. Fuck, dog. Fucking up my phone. I hope y'all enjoy the fucking content. Alright, so right now I'm on the radiator. Or not the radiator. The holes for the radiator, I should. Oh. Get on there, boy. No lube. We ain't doing no lube over here. We ain't doing no lube.
He's just hungry for knowledge, that's all. Yeah, that brother's starving.
Low key, that clamp is in a tight ass position. I see that shit. So I'm finna try to fake finesse that, bro. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Low key, I'm gonna have to get on my way. So for anybody, oh shit. For anybody wondering, I didn't take it out intentionally, but I was lifting up the radiator so I can get these C-clamp to go over the radiator hose so this shit don't blow off and then I overheat. Come on. Why are you being gay? Why are you gay? Why are you gay? So as you can see, I got it on there. I don't know why the shit's not focusing. I feel like it can go a little bit more on, but the fuck is this leak up here? I feel like it can go a little bit more, but it don't want to go no more, so I'm gonna just leave it like that and just pray the bitch is good. It shouldn't. I mean, I pulled at it, tugged at it, and realistically it shouldn't go no fucking weird, but yeah, but I'm pretty sure you're supposed to get it to this guide right here. It's a little guide right there it's supposed to touch. Pretty sure, but I'm gonna try this a little bit more and then move on. Put everything fucking back to how it was. Oh shit. I hope I have enough coolant, bro, because I really don't have any coolant, y'all. Like, I wasn't bullshitting. Type shit. All right, got it on. Get these connectors in order. So I got all the connectors plugged back in. Now I'm putting back on the radiator tie downs, and this job should be done. Thread pattern. Overflow. This is the overflow, and honestly, keep it a whole stack with y'all. I'm gonna just pour all of this, and then from there I ain't gonna lie, y'all, we ghetto fabulous right now out here. It's not all the way to the top, but I can see it. It's not all the way to the top, but it is just enough. As y'all can see, I went ahead and some fucking 5W30 oil for the F22. This was like fucking 15 bucks, you know, online, so why not? I also went to Home Depot, not Home Depot, what the fuck am I talking about? I went to Honda, as y'all saw, and I grabbed the oil filter. So we're gonna drain the oil and see what's going on with it. So I don't think y'all can see this right now, but this Drambo is cooked, bro. Talking about gaskets, some type of gaskets, man. That's tough. Hold on, let me see if it even gets tight. Yeah, it gets tight. But what the fuck, dude? Alright. Not the dirtiest, not the cleanest. Definitely not the cleanest, but it's not the dirtiest, bro. It's supposed to be 4 quarts in there. That's all this motor can hold, and this is a 6-quart jug, so that should be alright. We using jugs out here for coolant and for oil. You feel me? Be different. And right now, it's not really good practice to just be chilling under the car, but I got 2 jack stands, a jack. It should be alright. So you can see the oil filter right here. Again, I don't know why my shit is so dark. Actually, I do have a flashlight though. Look at that, y'all. My shit. Look at that. You see that? Problems. Thought we supposed to buy a daily. Supposed to buy a daily. Niggas bought problems. See that? Let me see. Let me see. Let me try to get it better for y'all. Fuck is the settings? Alright, bet. So y'all can see that? Perfect. The oil filter housing. Not the oil filter. I keep saying the oil filter housing, bro. I keep thinking about the Beamer. The oil filter is right here at the top, as y'all can see. I'm gonna go ahead and crack that bitch loose. All right, so as you can see, it's called the claw. Turn. Oh, you gotta keep some pressure on that bitch though. Start spinning until you could hand twist that bitch. Hand spin it, I should say. Excuse my French. You should see it start leaking some oil like that. Where we at? Feel me? You want to lube up the gasket a little bit. You don't really have to, but it's good practice. So just for the sake of y'all, I'm gonna lube it up. And from there, oh shit. Tighten it up. Good thing with Honda filters, Good thing with Honda filters, they bottom themselves out. So once you can't spin no more, that's tight, can't go no more. It literally won't let you spin anymore. I got a phone call, but I'm taking off this old gasket. It's like a, I don't know what the fuck this shit is. Use the new gasket I got, and I don't got this little protective sealant bullshit that these whoever put it. I don't know who put it, but somebody did. We're just pouring the oil. 4 quarts. Pretty sure it's 4. I think it's 4 quarts. I hope it's 4 quarts. All right. And that's it. Why? Why does it do that? I don't like that. So kind of all over the place video, but stay tuned for more videos. As y'all saw, we did the oil change, and we did, what else did we do? Oh, the radiator, of course. And we changed the radiator. So next is we're gonna do the axles and the valve cover gasket. I could do the valve cover gasket right now, but I kind of wanna space these videos out for y'all. You feel me? Again, I didn't have no mic. I left the shit at the crib, so my fault. I'm gonna just leave it for here right now. If you guys want to see more content with the CB7, the Honda Accord, make sure y'all like and subscribe. It's really easy to work on. I'm not gonna lie. It's different than a BMW, but all the same shit for real. But yeah, that's really it. But as always, man, this is Joseph Venture. Y'all take care of yourselves.
Willow made this one.